Today, we'll learn how to add an order details message template in WhatsDiscuss. First, click on WhatsApp business account and go to the message template section. Here, you'll see all your templates. To search for any template, click on the search icon and search. To add a new template, click on the add icon. Then select order details message template. Now enter the name of your template and click on next. After this, select your template category here, then click next. After that, choose your template language. Here, we are selecting English, then click on next. In the header, you can select text or image. Here, we are selecting an image, then choose an image of your product. Next, in the body, write the main content of your message. If you want, you can also add extra information in the footer, but this is optional. After filling in all details, click on Preview to see your message preview. When you send this template to the client, you'll be able to enter the order details. If everything looks good, click on the Save icon and your message template will be saved. After this, you can click on this icon to view the template details.